Hey family, friends, viewers, I'm going to show you the progress of a bowl for my wife, for a yarn bowl. So we're going out here to trim up a piece of burl that I got, and hopefully I'll be able to get it out of it. So here's the burl, and we're going to trim off, we're going to trim off at. We're going to trim off right there, and then we're going to see if we can make start turning a bowl out of that. Alright, step 2. We've cut this, and you put this plate on the back of it, and then we got to take off from this top edge here, and it's going to make it a little rounder maybe, so it won't bounce so much. It vibrates really violently right now, so we're going to take a little bit off the corners and see if we can make it where it doesn't be so violent.
Give an intro.
Well, I don't need an intro. This is part of it. Don't stand there.
Okay, so what were you doing?
I was grinding off, trying to grind it off the wood to take the bounce, so the bounce is better. See what this does. Still a little out of round. Bounce. I think it might be right here where all this weight is, huh? Probably. I really want to grind off that good stuff. Okay, all this white wood is all sapwood. It's the outer part. The hardwoods are darker red. I needed to get this balance better so I could turn it. I started lathe on it with that block. That's not too bad now.
That was much better.
Yeah, that's a lot better. So now what I gotta do is I gotta find an Allen wrench and then unscrew these things and place my plate. So you can turn that up here. Yeah, but I can turn that though.
You look at a circle, that's the thickest spot.
Yeah, but I don't want to take that too much out because I'm going to have to probably take it down to here, that circle, and then take another piece and make another piece and glue it together, and then cut the bowl in because I don't want. I'm going to have to just turn it down and place it, make a bowl place, and then cut this off and smooth this up. And then take another piece of wood and glue it on top of it, another piece of burl and glue on top of it so I can make the bowl deep enough. So.
Progress.
Alright, so. Okay, you want to turn it for me? Just turn my hand. This is what I got going so far. I got a little bit more to do in this area here. Got a little more to take out right here and a little bit more right here. get it all round. And besides that, it's pretty much all round, and it's got some pretty looking. So that's what I got left to do. Okay, that's where we're at right now, and I'm gonna, right in this area is where I'm gonna put the curl so the yarn to come out. I curve this off some more. I bring this in a little bit more, but I'm gonna fill all these little spots in with resin, colored resin, so they will hold up and the wood won't chip crack anymore before I completely finish it. But there's the basic of your yarn bowl.
The base.
The base of the yarn. Basically, that actually be the whole yarn bowl. It's going to be. It's actually.
It's a big one.
It's going to be 6.5 inches deep, roughly by 7 inches across.
Sure looks like it's bigger than that, but
yeah, but it's not, I haven't taken the inside out yet.
I understand. I understand.
So, we don't want anything breaking off of it when
right.
So I'm going to make it this thickness, and then I'll cut the inside, and I'll smooth this outside a little more, and then you'll be able, after I fill these resin spots up.
Okay.
It's going to look pretty cool with the resin.
Yeah, that'll give it a little
sparkle.
Yeah, in addition to the type of wood that it already is too.
Yep.
So yeah.
And that's burl.
You're doing a great job, Jerry. It's all coming back to you like riding a bike, right?
Yep. So now I'm cooking. So.
Now you're cooking.
Yep. All right.